Explore your imagination and bridge the gap from inspiration to creation. From gorgeous, bright displays to water and dust resistance and a powerful chipset, the Galaxy Tab S9 series redefines the premium tablet experience. It's everything you expect from our flagship Galaxy smartphones, so why not expect the same from our tablets? Samsung Galaxy has been leading the industry, pioneering the large screen viewing experience. And now, we're bringing that same cutting-edge display technology to our flagship tablets. The Galaxy Tab S9 series comes with Dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz and visuals that pop with crisp, vivid, and true-to-life colors. Equipped with Vision Booster, these displays detect your surroundings to maximize color contrast in different lighting conditions automatically. So whether you're indoors or outdoors, you'll be able to clearly see and enjoy content. And you shouldn't have to worry, especially when you're on the go. For the first time, both the Galaxy Tab S9 series and S Pen come with an IP68 rating. That means amazing displays, Galaxy Tab S9 series, Base, Plus, and Ultra. While we tend to think of inspiration as something extraordinary, it often strikes during everyday moments, like in school, when you're juggling different classes, clubs, assignments, and activities. The Galaxy Tab S9 series comes with the popular app Good Notes. Capturing your notes and insights is easy, enjoyable, and fun. And all of this is easier with the S Pen. The S Pen is the ideal creative companion for bringing your ideas to life. For aspiring artists, Clip Studio Paint provides digital art and illustration tools to transform your inspiration into something whimsical and different. On this intuitive app. All of these creative experiences are taken to another level when you connect the Tab S9 series to the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. You can work seamlessly across devices and share photos from your Galaxy smartphone to your Tab S9 effortlessly. As you've just seen, our ecosystem of devices and apps will help you do more. Even design CAD drawings on the go through apps like ArcSight. And we will continue to work with our partners to expand these experiences. Whether it's adding a little more pizzazz to your everyday routines, pro-grade photo and film editing, finishing your next digital art masterpiece, or jumping into whatever creative endeavor awaits. With Galaxy Tab S9 series, you'll see your vision come alive. The Galaxy Tab S9 series sets the standard what a premium tablet experience should be, providing Dynamic AMOLED 2X displays, water and dust resistance, and powerful performance across the entire lineup. The Tab S9 series is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy, as in our latest flagship smartphones. It offers a huge increase in CPU performance, which means that it is the fastest Tab S series yet. This boost in GPU performance enables you to handle graphics-intensive tasks like video editing or gaming. When you're gaming, visuals are ultra-realistic, with accurate lighting, creating more natural shadows and reflections with ray tracing. Stunning graphics come to life, and you'll feel like you're in on the action. Top-notch performance is one thing, maintaining performance is another. To ensure our devices run efficiently, we need to keep them cool. The Tab S9 series now features a thoughtfully redesigned structure for dispersing heat. It sends heat in two directions, above the display and below the body. And with the new vapor chamber, heat is carried through the thermal interface material, or TIM, and spread widely across the surface, which helps prevent sudden temperature spikes. So even if you've been immersed in your tablet for a while, it will maintain the powerful processing performance you need. Every design aspect of the Tab S9 series design is intentional. From the iconic camera layout to the redesign of the inner structure to allow for water and dust resistance. We minimized the parts used and utilized a minute gap between the external surface glass and display to accommodate a new USB-C port. We've also applied a reverse dome structure, further protecting the tablet against water. We did all of this without adding thickness and while maintaining the sleek and streamlined profile of the Tab S9 series. Inside and out, the Tab S9 series is a testament to our design philosophy, where aesthetics meet functionality. The Galaxy Tab S9 series comes with our stunning display and inbox S Pen. It is designed with your creativity in mind, whether it's the apps you rely on or how they're supported by powerful performance. You can choose from two colors, our signature graphite or a new sophisticated beige. Tab S9 Ultra will be available for $1,199, Tab S9 Plus from $999, and Tab S9 from $799. Your inspiration deserves a new standard in premium tablets, and pre-orders start today.
I thank each of you for joining us online from cities around the world and right here in Seoul. Thank you for being part of this Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.